YouTube, what's going on, man? Look, I ain't gonna say too much, but you feel me? We got something in the works. Yeah, I got my guy with me, you know, make them beats. Yes, sir, yes, sir. So right now, we waiting on my boy Steve to get done eating his lunch. And then I'm gonna show y'all while we in Ashtabula. I'm gonna show y'all, man. You wouldn't even know it's right here. You got the trunk open. You feel me? Yeah. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on. We'll see you get done eating his lunch. Boy, I tell you. Brand new motor. Who would that? Who would that? Look at very cool. Very cool. Look y'all see that? Kelly's crank. Smell like it. I'm gonna give you a little preview of one. That's all y'all get this. Wow. See that up. And look at the 4cc dome on that motherfucker. I don't even know what that is, bro.
That's crazy. Got the block over here. That boy over here struggling.
Hold on, wait. There's more. Shout out to my daughter, bro. It's all over my box. Man, look at that. Ooh.
Crazy.
And they wrapped everything, man. Oh, also, you might be getting a couple phone calls here soon. Cause everybody's asking, they're like, hey, where you taking your stuff to get done? This, and that. So,
Yeah. Well, you see one little problem here. Big problem, really, but they put the wrong bearing in the box. These are 20 thou over. It's supposed to be a -2. It's a -2.020.
oh, they put the wrong one in there?
Yeah, both the number, because they're different size outside diameters, but number 2 and number 4 are supposed to be -2, but these are -2.020. I don't know if we got another set.
You think AutoZone might have one of those, just like the single bearing?
I don't know. I can check.
Boys put them goddamn cam bearings in that motherfucker.
Yeah, I don't know. A lot of work, boys.
Yeah, for sure.
Well, have fun with that.
I will.
Appreciate it.
Take it easy.
All right, see you later.
All right.
And this how you test to make sure there ain't no tight spots.
Yep. Fit the cam, make sure it goes in nice.
Dun, dun, dun. First motor build by. Sheesh.
Oh, nice.
Ooh, you excited? You excited? No,
You more excited than me?
of course.
Those come in yet, Luigi? Oh, they did come in.
Damn.
Oh, man, that was busy. Yeah, but that.
Take some money.
Yeah, it's 1 o'clock. I ain't gonna be. Hello?
The time flew.
What's the last one?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm on my way back now. We had to do some extra stuff.
I read that, but that's a last year.
Alright.
Last name Dawson, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Which one? I got 4 in here.
Justin.
Just. Where are my cells? You tell me how. So you're gonna go through it?
No.
Oh, okay.
That's good. You wanna do it?
Where you go? Oh, cash.
You're doing both. Cash in.
Oh, okay.
Put it in there and give you the card.
It's gonna be crazy.
How much cash?
And you can't.
So 60 in cash, and then I'll do the rest of my card.
What are those?
Use my work slide, chill out home slide, go buy car part slides. Hey, same to me. He said 1260.
60. Okay. I thought you said 1200 for some reason. 1260.
1260 minus.
Damn, cause I ain't even.
Alright, I'll touch it.
My wallet.
Filming the hard part here.
Yeah, my wallet in the car. I'll be right back. Alright, mister. Oh wow, that was like, I'm like,
iron LS.
I was gonna say, you could.
Should we just record this for real? Hey.
Oh yeah, no problem. I can't remember if I actually stamped them anywhere, but I just wrote on there, so.
Yeah.
And the crank, yeah, should be about it, right?
Yep, pretty sure that's it. Hey, stop playing with me, man. Young nigga, don't.
Yes, sir.
You want to slide down
On the seat? There you go. Alright.
Appreciate it, man.
All right.
If y'all
Thank
need,
you.
listen, if y'all need any work done, come down to Craig. And they even said they about to start dyno tuning. I was telling you, good people. Tap in. Appreciate
sir.
you, Steve.
Alright, thank
Murder,
Boys, load it up.
murder. this or you can go with that. Hey, the cars in there, man.
Yes, sir.
10 out of 10 would recommend, man. Great people,
Yeah,
man.
we loaded up.
He even bagged everything up for me so nothing get rusty and all like
You hear
that.
me?